Welcome to Mindful Growth Studio, your daily step towards a better you. Today we'll guide you through a simple 5-minute breathing exercise to help you feel calm, centered, and focused. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or anxious, this practice will gently guide you back to balance. Let's begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Breathe in slowly and exhale gently. There's no need to force anything. Just notice the natural rhythm of your breathing flowing effortlessly in and out. As you breathe, imagine your lungs softly filling with a warm, gentle light. With each exhale, envision that light softly fading, carrying away any tension or stress. Inhale, filling with calm, and exhale, releasing all that no longer serves you. Notice your body. Are you holding tightness anywhere? Perhaps in your shoulders, your jaw, or your hands? Let your breath be a reminder to release, to soften, and to let go. With each exhale, feel your body becoming lighter and more at ease. Stay here for a moment, simply breathing. Each inhale grounding you in the present, and each exhale creating space for peace within. As we close, take a moment to acknowledge this time you've gifted yourself. You've created a space of calm, clarity, and balance. Carry this sense of mindfulness with you throughout your day, knowing that whenever you need to, you can return to your breath to find your center. If this practice brought you peace, we'd love for you to join our growing community by subscribing to Mindful Growth Studio. Your support helps us continue sharing mindfulness and positivity with others. Let us know in the comments how this session made you feel, or share your favorite ways to stay grounded. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. And remember, your breath is always here to guide you. Until next time, take care and stay mindful.